Trace the uppercase letter D. Good job! All of these things start with the D sound. Drag them to the letter
Dog,
D.
duck, dump truck.
Good thinking! Trace the uppercase letter H. Good work! All of these things start with the H sound. Drag
Hen,
them to the letter H.
hippo, horse.
Great! Sort the words that start with each sound.
Dog, duck, dinosaur, hippo, hen.
Great job! Trace the uppercase letter M. Awesome! All of these things start with the sound. Drag them
Moose,
to the letter M.
monkey, monkey, milk.
Cool beans! Trace the uppercase letter T. Keep it up! All of these things start with the T sound.
Tractor,
Drag them to the letter
train,
T.
truck.
Keep up the good work. Sort the words that start with each sound.
Moose, monkey, monkey. Tractor, train, truck.
Nice! Trace the uppercase letter B. Nice work! All of these things start with the B sound. Drag them
B.
to the letter
Bird,
B.
bike.
Super! Trace the uppercase letter C. Super duper! All of these things start with the K sound. Drag
Cat.
them to the letter C.
Car, cow.
Sweet! Sort the words that start with each sound.
Bird, bee, cat, carrot, cab.
That's right!